how to turn off active status on Instagram. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. It's super easy to do, so just follow along and you will get there. Now what you want to do is simply click on your profile and then click on the top right and open up the settings. Once you are here, you can actually see that your whole settings have changed quite a bit than they used to. You might already have seen these settings, but what you want to do is simply go to how others can interact with you. Then you want to go ahead and click on messages and story replies. Right over here, you can already see show activity status. Now, if you click on there, you want to simply toggle this off. Now, I actually already had it turned off, but that is basically what you want to do. That's all there is to it. That's how to turn off active status on Instagram. I hope this video helps you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.